my name is Anita Savoie. I'm a realtor in Moncton, New-Brunswick. Today I want to talk to you buyers, okay? I want to go through the step that you need to do when you're gonna buy a home, and one of the important steps is to outline your needs, your goal, and your desire, okay? You can be a first buyer, or maybe you already bought 10 houses, or maybe you're a retired couple, okay? You may help your children to buy a home, but no matter what, you need to go through this step, okay? First, your need, okay? Which kind of home that you want? Do you want a semi-detached? Do you want a condo? Do you want a bungalow? A mini home? Or another kind of home? You need to also put on the paper the number of bedroom, bathroom, if you want to have some stair in your home or not, okay? The location, school, okay? Do you want a basement? Maybe the basement is not important right now. Maybe you want one because you want to finish it later on, okay? Then you need to really look at what you want as per the home that you want to purchase, okay? And then you will have some project and some desire, and that's where you need to put that on a paper, because this will be in the future, and you need to really have a budget for this also, okay? Maybe you need to have a new car, or that you say, you know what, in 2 or 3 years I want to buy a new car. If that is the case, you need to talk about it right away, okay? Do you want to travel? If that is the case, okay, you need to also put that on your paper and have a number, how much it will cost you per year, or maybe it's one, you just want to do one trip somewhere and it will be the one. Then you need to put that on a piece of paper, okay? Do you want to have some children, or maybe you already have some children, okay? If that is the case, then you may have some project for them, like you want them to go to the university, you want them to be in some sport. And if you don't have any kid, you know, you will want to put in your budget the daycare and all of the other expense for a kid, because there will be some if you want to have a kid. Then if you are not married already, maybe you are thinking about a wedding, okay? Then you need to put a budget and also a time on a paper for that also, because that will affect the fact that you want to buy your home now or not. Then you may want to have a home with a garage and a wow kitchen, but you don't have the budget for that, and you will not have the mortgage for that. Then maybe you want to put that in your plan for the future and invest some money to be able to do it later on, maybe in 5 years, something like that. Then I don't know if you may want to change your career. If that is the case, you need to put that in the plan that you want to go back to the university. Then there's a lot of things that you need to think that will be in short term or in a longer term. You know, if you bought a home and you stay there less than 7 years, then your investment will not be that good, okay? Then I really suggest that you put everything, every dream that you have, every project, every need that you have with a dollar sign on a piece of paper, and that you make sure that you want to buy that home right now, because maybe some of those projects you will not be able to do it anymore if you buy a home, okay? Then that is my truthness as much as I can. My name is Anita Savoie. I'm a realtor for RE/MAX Quality Real Estate Inc. in Moncton, New Brunswick. Thank you and have a great day.